welcome to another episode of Destination Timeshare. We're currently staying at the Westin Lagunamar in Cancun, Mexico. And I wanted to show you all something kind of interesting. But sometime about a little over 10 years ago, maybe even more, sometime in the 2000s, Marriott Vacation Club purchased property in Cancun to build a future resort. They never did anything with it. And even up until a few years ago, they actually still mentioned it in their investor calls. The land has been up for sale, may still be up for sale for many years. So they've been trying to sell it. They never built on this property, and they likely never will now that they've acquired ILG, and there's two Westin properties that are part of Astana in Cancun. So we're gonna walk down the beach and take a look. You can see the Westin Lagunamar back behind me, and we're right now walking in front of Live Aqua. So the only property that separates the land in Cancun, owned by Marriott Vacation Club, and the Westin Lagunamar, is the all-inclusive property of Live Aqua. So it looks like this big concrete wall, along with that no trespassing sign, is what is currently blocking access, which I didn't plan on going in there anyway, blocking access to Marriott Vacation Club's property here in Cancun. So we believe, of course, the reason for Marriott Vacation Club never building on this property is that back in 2008, of course, we had the financial crisis, and the vacation club industry definitely took a hit from that. They had a lot of undeveloped property, a lot of unsold inventory, so they never built on it, and even still to this day they haven't built on it. Not sure why it hasn't sold. It's not a very big piece of property. Looking at Google Maps in the satellite view, it looks like it's maybe about 2/3 the size of what Live Aqua sits on over there. So it might be hard to build a property to the scale that they would need in order to make it profitable. So that's just some of the theories. Of course, only they know for sure, and they're not necessarily telling us. And on Sunday when we flew in, I took a walk down to Soriana, grocery store down the street, and even me to walk past the property, or walk past this property that is along the street. So I'm going to throw some of this footage in here as well. So this property, this vacant land here, at one time, and I think it actually still is owned by Marriott Vacation Club International. They've just never actually developed the property. It's pretty small, it's not a very big property, so they wouldn't be able to put a very big timeshare on it, but it would have given them the chance to have a timeshare in Cancun. Of course, now they've bought ILG, which owns Vistana, so they can potentially have the Westin Lagunamar in their portfolio. There's not really a whole lot more to see. You can see the big open gaping hole potentially that's in the ground. Obviously somebody has tried to build here, or maybe there was actually something here at one time and it's since been demolished. I'm not too sure. I may look into that a little bit. But it's definitely interesting. It would have been great if Marriott had built a property here in Cancun and given their owners of many years access to the beautiful beaches here in Mexico. So I hope you enjoyed this episode of Destination Timeshare. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe. And if you want to be notified of future episodes, be sure to click that little alert bell down below. Leave me some comments what you think about the property here in Cancun. Do you wish Marriott had built here? Definitely a destination of choice for many people. So leave me your thoughts on Marriott Vacation Club in Cancun. I'm gonna head back over to the Westin Lagunamar. Thanks for watching, and remember, let's make your next destination a timeshare.
I feel how it's coming on, the end with the break of dawn, but your breath is the perfect song, alright. I don't wanna waste this high, soon I'll be stuck at home, with your number stuck in my phone, wanna see if like me you were all alone, but it's all just a waste of time. Are your thoughts on me?